Luke at Double Digit. I'm just going to show you how to get rid of some malicious code that's been planted in your website. You may land on a web page and, for example, this site, if someone typed in the company name, I may have fixed it now, but there was an error showing this site is suspicious. It may be injected malicious code. I'm going to show you how to fix it. The first thing you want to do is update all your plugins and your WordPress version. So you go into plugins here, and you'll see some of them need to be updated. I've updated all of these now. You'll get a little warning underneath telling you it needs updated. Go into your dashboard, into WordPress, make sure your WordPress version is updated to the latest. So do all that. I'll make a backup of the site before you proceed. Next thing you should do is install this plugin here called WordFence and then run a scan. When you click scan, it might take like 20 minutes and you'll get a whole report showing 85 issues, for example. And if you click on that, it'll tell you what the scan results are. And so you see down here, it tells us that there's this script planted on the website somewhere. You may look all around the website for it and you won't be able to find it. For example, I did a backlink check and that didn't show where that script was. The next thing I did was install a find and replace plugin. I'll show you where that is. Better search replace it's called. So you want to go in here, type the error script, which in our case was this one here. Make sure you keep this selected, which means we're just doing a test run. It's going to search all the database tables because this malicious code has been injected into the database, so not into the files. It's not been injected in any way that you can remove it. You run the search. Which tables do we want to search on? All of those. And it begins the search. So it says 1,274 cells were found with this in there. And then we want to replace it with something, so I would probably replace it with just blank. And see what happens. I'll take this off. So all mention of that dodgy code will be replaced with blank. So 1,274 cells in the database were changed. Okay, then let's just check that the website still works. That's the main thing. I think it was on the About page. Okay, so everything seems to be working fine. You can then go in and rescan using WordFence. So go scan, start a WordFence scan. And the result of this new scan should show that that script is no longer there. Quite important to change your username and password often. So after I've finished cleaning the website, I'm going to go into users and change my password. Ideally the database password as well. Somehow some thing has hacked into the database. So let's make it a bit harder for them next time. Yeah, that's all for now. If you have a problem like this and you want me to help you, you can go to doubledigitmedia.co.uk and my name is Luke and I'll be on hand to help you remove any malicious code. Thank you for watching.